Unfortunately, in the manufacturing industry, this is what a regular service engineer or coordinator's desk looks like. Loads of papers, manual entries, risk of misplacing a crucial report. It's an age-old issue, and we've faced it for far too long. Think about the process of filling in forms, going to on an on-site visit to your customer, doing maintenance, trying to fill out all of these forms, then maybe entering into some sort of Excel sheet to try and make it digital. Well, this is cumbersome, inefficient, and we are here to help. Take a look at what this would look like on Makula. Here we have a work order that somebody has created, a customer has created. The machine is stopping regularly. They've asked to have this machine checked up on. We're going to add an instance of a procedure here, a maintenance report, and we're going to fill it in. And it'll take us 2 minutes. As we see that there's some significant wear and tear. We're going to upload an image of what it looks like before. You can see that it's pretty rough. Then we're going to do a deep clean. We're going to replace some parts. We're going to replace this part, a mesh ring. Then we're going to show what it looks like afterwards. So we can upload this from our phone directly, or from our camera library, or from our laptop. And we're going to describe here what we did. So deep clean and mesh replacement as fixed occurring issue. Now we're going to get a signature. So this is for myself here. I'm Karin, the maintenance engineer in this case. And then we're also going to get a signature from the customer. In this case, this was John. And John also gave a signature. Now we can finalize this procedure. We can always save it as a draft or download a PDF, but in this case we're finalizing it, and now this is stored directly to the machine history. So we are keeping all of our inventory information together. We've got a machine history of all the work orders that were created, and in this case also a maintenance report that we just added as well. And let's see what that looks like in PDF. Let's have a look here. All right, so we can see here that it was for Lynn Chocolate in Berlin. The customer address, the machine serial number, and date the work order was created is automatically added. And here is what that final report looks like. And you can download this, send it to the customer, or you can keep it in your machine history for the next time that there's an issue comes up with this machine and you know what's happened the last time. So please take a moment to book a demo with us. We would love to show you more of what Makula can do, and we're here to help you with your avoid feeling overwhelmed and inefficient in your work.